Good morning, dear children. Class 6, Subject Social Science, Unit number 2 in Civics. Our topic is Constitution of India. In today's class, we are going to learn about what is meant by Constitution and what are all the rules which is available in Constitution. We are going to learn in today's class. So before entering into the Constitution of India, what is meant by Constitution, children? Think it of. Have you heard the term what is meant by Constitution? Yes, Constitution is meant by the set of rules. Okay, children, set of rules which we are following in our country is called as a Constitution. So, before entering into the Constitution and the set of rules, let me ask you one question. What is meant by unity in diversity? Already you have heard the term. What is meant by unity in diversity? Think it of. In India, we are following different kind of religion. We are following the different kinds of food, and we are following the different kind of languages, and we follow the different types of dress code in different states. For example, in Kerala, they are following the Malayalam. In Tamil Nadu, we are speaking Tamil. In Delhi, they are speaking Hindi. No, children? Yes or no? Yes. Like that, people will follow the different religion. Christianity, Hinduism, Muslimism, and they also eat different kind of food. Yes. So people are variety in all over the India. So though all over the India they are in different types, but they are united as an Indian. Yes or no, children? Yes. Though the people speak different languages, they follow different culture, they follow different religion, they eat different food, but they are united as Indian. This is called as a India as unity in diversity. In order to rule the different kind of people who follow different religion, who follow different culture, who speak different kind of languages, our government has framed the set of rules that is called as a Constitution. Okay, children, Constitution is a set of rules which is mainly involved for ruling the people who follow the different types of religion, follow different culture, and who follow the different types of dress code all over the India. Our government has followed the set of rules that is called as a Constitution of India. In order to administrate people who follow different religion, different culture, and different dress code, we need to have a certain good code of laws and guidelines. So that good code of laws and guidelines is called as Constitution of India. Next, children, why do we want to celebrate the Independence Day? Think it of. Yes, we got the freedom from the foreigners on 15th August. So we have celebrated the Independence Day. So next question is, why do we need to celebrate the Republic Day, children? Think it of. Yes, our Constitution, that means the set of good code, laws and guidelines has been framed and came to existence only on 26th January 1950. So that day has been observed as the Republic Day. I repeat, the Constitution of India, the set of rules, guidelines and the code has been framed and came to existence on 26th February 1950. So that day has been observed as the Republic Day. On the same day, children, that means 1929, the Congress met at Lahore. The members of the Congress declared the same day as Purna Swaraj or Day of Complete Self-Governance. That means by the year 1929, one Congress has been meeting has been held at Lahore. So that day has been otherwise called as a Day of Purna Swaraj or the Day of Complete Self-Governance. So think it of, children, whether the Constitution of India is a book of records. Yes, it is a book of record. So, I have already told you constitution is nothing but all the set of rules and guidelines. So, these set of rules and guidelines has been written one book. Okay, children, I repeat, all the rules, codes, guidelines to govern the peoples of different parts of India, all the laws has been written in one book. So that book is called as a Constitution of India. So this Constitution of India defines the rights and duties of citizens. That means what a citizen has to do and what a citizen have not to do. All the things has been mentioned in the Constitution book of records. So every country is ruled on the basis of Constitution. All the president, prime minister, chief minister in India has been ruling the people all over the country only by means of Constitution of India book records. So the Constitution of India is considered to be one of the very ultimate law in our country. So we have to follow it. Yes, we have to follow each and every rules of Constitution of India. It explains fundamental concepts, methods and the powers of government bodies. So in the given image, I have given the Constitution of India book. So you can refer in the Google what is the Constitution of India book. So another image is the, you are seeing the first page of the Constitution of India book, which is called as a preface. So in the next class we are going to learn about what is justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. Okay children, now you learned about what is mean by Constitution of India. Yes, Constitution of India is a set of record which hold the information of code of law guidelines to govern the people all over the different parts of the India. So we will see in the next class, my dear children. Follow the classes regularly, watch the videos regularly, my dear children. Stay home, stay safe. Meet you all in the next class. Thank you, my dear children.